Hallelujah! Muli sinabi ni Jesus, may umawak sa damit ko, naramdaman mong may kapangyarihan lumabas sa akin. Hallelujah! Anong kapangyarihan yung family? That's a healing power. That's a healing virtue, family. Ano yung mga virtue? Yung good character. So, imagine nyo lang scenario, nangingin siya because I know I am healed. Pero itong tao na to, out of many crowds, na-distinguish niya ako. He is the real man of God. He is the real Messiah. He is Jesus. He is the one that we are waiting for. Hallelujah. Be excited, family. Kasi ang coming ni Jesus, dapat excited tayo. Yung harap tayo sa Panginoon, Lord, paparating ka na. Ang dami yung may kukwentong testimony sa iyo. Hallelujah. That's why we aim for miracle, family.